You've tried eating clean, cutting calories, and working out, but that stubborn belly fat, it won't budge. What if I told you the real reason has nothing to do with willpower, and everything to do with science? Hey, welcome back to the channel where I turn health myths into real, science-backed answers. Today, I'm cracking one of the most frustrating fitness mysteries: why belly fat is so hard to lose, especially after 25. I'll cover the hidden hormonal reasons, one huge nutrition mistake most people don't know they're making, and exactly what to do to finally see results. Let's dive right in. We've been told for years, burn more than you eat = fat loss. But here's the truth. Not all calories are created equal, especially when it comes to belly fat. A study from the Journal of Obesity found that people eating the same calories but from different food sources, like processed carbs versus whole foods, had vastly different fat loss results, especially around the abdomen. Ultra-processed foods spike insulin, your fat storage hormone, making your body store more belly fat even in a calorie deficit. So here's the takeaway. Cutting calories without fixing food quality means slow results and stubborn belly fat. Here's something no one tells you. Stress makes you fat, literally. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, a hormone linked directly to abdominal fat storage. In a Yale study, people with higher cortisol levels had significantly more belly fat regardless of weight or BMI. Even if you're eating clean, if you're always anxious, overtraining, or sleeping poorly, your body holds onto fat as a survival mechanism. Want to fix this? Get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep, reduce caffeine, and do 10 minutes of walking or deep breathing after meals. These small habits crush cortisol over time. Now let's talk nutrition, the right way. 2 things your body needs more of if you want to lose belly fat: protein and fiber. Protein helps preserve lean muscle, boosts metabolism, and keeps you full. Fiber slows digestion, balances blood sugar, and reduces belly bloating. Here's an example: meal: scrambled eggs, sautéed spinach, avocado, and chia seed toast. That's protein, healthy fat, and fiber, a fat-burning combo. And here's a myth buster: just eat less. Nope, eating too little actually slows your metabolism, making fat loss harder long-term. Let's kill another fitness myth. Doing 100 crunches a day will not burn belly fat. Spot reduction is a myth. You can't choose where your body burns fat from. It depends on genetics, hormones, and overall fat percentage. So what does work? Resistance training to build lean muscle, walking or zone 2 cardio for low-intensity fat burning, and height for insulin sensitivity and the afterburn effect. Strong abs plus lower body fat, that's the formula for visible results, and honestly, this might be the biggest reason people don't lose belly fat. They're consistent for 10 days, then fall off. But science shows fat loss, especially visceral belly fat, takes at least 6 to 12 weeks of consistent habits to see noticeable changes. Don't aim for perfect days. Aim for 80% consistency, realistic routines, and sustainable meals. Progress is built by habits, not hacks. So, if you're struggling to lose belly fat, remember, focus on food quality, not just calories. Lower stress and cortisol, prioritize protein and fiber. Train smart, not just hard, and be consistent, even when it's boring. This isn't just about looking good. It's about living longer, stronger, and feeling great in your skin. Did this shift your mindset? Drop a belly fat truth in the comments if you learned something new today. If you're on a fat loss journey, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for weekly science-backed health videos that actually work. Stay strong, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one.